is Lokesh. Today's my topic is thermistors of BSc first year or engineering first years. Okay, let us start going to topics. Let's go. Thermistors. What are thermistors? A thermally sensitive resistor is known as thermistor. Let's go for the topic. Thermistors. Thermally sensitive resistors or resistors is known as thermistor. Now we have two divisions in thermistors. One is NTC and PTC. Let's go for it. Divisions. Okay? It's clear, I think so. I'm wrapping this. Let's go for this. Thermistor. I want to teach a simple way, not in a lengthy way or like a lecture. I want to teach practical. NTPC, NTCR and PTCR. Negative temperature coefficient resistor, positive temperature coefficient resistor. Okay. For this, I want to teach one thing. They are depends upon temperature. First of all, if temperature increases, resistance decreases. Simple. That's all. If temperature decreases, resistance increases. That's all. In this is in the hot case. In this, in cold case, temperature. Okay, in temperature. Okay, temperature. Okay, next it is. Next we go to PTCR. Okay, let's go to PTCR. Here, temperature increases, resistance also increases. This is directly proportional. Here we have directly proportional. Directly proportional. Let's draw a graph for this. Here we have resistance. Here we have temperature. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Let's take like this. We'll get a graph like this. If resistance, so both of us at the same time. This is 0 origin, resistance, and temperature. Okay. For this, both are simultaneously will go, and for this, both are will decrease. Okay. Here, if temperature increases, resistance decreases, and current also decrease. Resistance. If temperature decreases, resistance increases, then current. Sorry. Here we have a reverse case. Here. Sorry for the disturbance. Here we have a reverse case. I'll teach there. We don't waste our time. Let me have this. Okay. For example, we denote the resistor like this of negative NTCR. Resistor like this. Resistor, a circle, and NTCR. This is symbol. Next, PTCR. We have like this. PTCR. Here we use this in thermal controlling, these are even uses and monitors. Here I have a depth in phases. Let's go for that. Phases. I want to rub it. I want to prove how the fuses are working this in PTCR. PTCR is a circuit, is a resistor, a circuit, resistor. Okay. Let us on that. If temperature increases, we have high voltage. I think we have high voltage. If you give high voltage, high voltage means high current. High current means temperature high, resistance high. Then if resistance high, current will decreases automatically. Okay. Next, if we see an example of circuit, positive, negative. Next, NTCR circuit and it is connected to diode. Next is connected to directly to this. Here we have some 6 volts. 6 volts and diode is connected. Okay. Is diode connected? No. We think we have a bulb here. Let's think we have a bulb here. Okay. I think we have a bulb which is LED, green LED. Let's think it's a green LED. Green LED. Now, when the LED glows, when you have high current, let's check in hot temperature. In temperature like T increases and R also decreases. And if here we see where R increases, current decreases. So R decreases, current increases. Means high brightness. High brightness. In simple write B high. Okay. Next case. In cold case, temperature decreases. In cold case now here see, resistance increases. If resistance increases, current automatically decreases. Brightness will always down. Let us see some examples for PTCR and NTCR. Okay. Let's go there. Let's come back to the thermistors next. How the thermistor works and I like it. Mainly the main point is thermistor depends upon the temperature. That's the main point here. Okay. Let's see this. NTCR applications. NTCR mainly used in thermal sensors and thermal controllers. Next, PTCR uses in monitors, computers. Next, displays of the various displays, etc. for thermals, and fuses, etc. Okay. Let's see another one. When we have a temperature more than it needs, the fuse must gone off. But if fuse is gone, then we need to arrange another one. But in PTCR, not like that. In PTCR, the fuses will automatically go down. The temperature go ups, then resistance also go ups. Then current will go down. Automatically, fuse cannot be glowed. Current will value automatically go down. This is the main use of PTCR in our households. Okay. Next, let us see some of the rules in the thermistors, or like not main points, but they are there, the points. Okay. Let us see some main points I want to say some points like semiconductors are like there. Further, they found that what I can I say like variation resistance more in semiconductors than in these resistors, thermal resistors, conductors. Thermistors are also known as insulators because they are conduct have 3 volts of electrons, 3 volts of electricity, but they don't have free electrons in them. Okay, this is my session. Thank you for watching this. If anyone not subscribed my channel, can subscribe it and can tap the bell icon for the notification. Thank you, my friends.